We are masters at orchestrating global travel and packing in meetings effectively and efficiently. Our recent trip took us from Los Angeles to London, London to Athens, and back within 70 hours.
We landed 24 hours ago in Athens. It's officially 24 hours later, and we are done. How was your trip, Chris?
Amazing. The amount that we crammed into this literally 24-hour period is unbelievable. 5 meetings, a lot of fun, some tourist stuff, great meals.
Lots of drinks, scootering around Athens. We're doing some good stuff, building a great office here with a great team. We're officially in Europe.
Absolutely.
Peace out.